Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to trade Perps on Orderly network. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. When people hear a project is focused on perpetuals, they usually picture a hyper liquidity platform where traders can jump in and trade futures directly. But Orderly takes a different approach. Let's head to orderly.network. Orderly is a perpetual infrastructure layer and a decentralized liquidity layer that power other apps, which means you don't really trade Perps directly on Orderly. Instead, you trade with front ends built on Orderly. When you click on Trade Orderly, you find several front ends like Aden, WOOFi, Radium and other partner dApps built on Orderly. Orderly provides order book, liquidity, matching engine and settlement, while the front end handles the user interface. In short, Orderly is like the engine room, while the front end is like the dashboard where you actually place the trade. Now, how can you trade on Orderly? Pick a front end dApps you wish to use from here. You'll be using Aden, so I'll just tap on it. Select your chain, tap on it. We'll be using Arbitrum, then connect your wallet. Click on WalletConnect to see all supported wallets. We'll be using Trust Wallet, so I'll just tap on it. Just click on Connect. Now let's head back. So we have successfully connected our wallets. The next thing to do is to create an account. Just click on Create Account. Just sign. So we have successfully connected our wallet. The next thing to do is to fund your wallet. In Orderly, all perpetual contracts are margined and settled in USDC, regardless of the coin you trade. So we'll be depositing USDC Arbitrum. Click on the total value at the top. Then click on Deposit. Choose your network. We'll be using Arbitrum. Then choose the quantity of USDC you want to deposit. Then click on Approve and Deposit. We'll be needing a little amount of Ethereum based on the chain you are using. Since I'm using Arbitrum, I'll need Arbitrum Ethereum for gas fee. Now just click on Approve. Deposit takes about 30 seconds. Let's head back. So we have successfully funded our Aden trading account. Now when you tap on total value, you can see the amount of USDC you have in your trading account. Now let's quickly navigate through the Aden Perp and open a trade position. The pair is currently on BTC and the 100x close to it is the maximum leverage one can get for trading BTC on Aden. We have charts showing visual representation of price at different intervals. We have trades showing current buys and sells. We have data showing details of the coin. When you scroll down, we have the order book on the left showing present and potential future market activity, while on the right we have the order types and leverage. We have several order types, but market and limits are the mostly used. Market order simply lets you buy instantly at the current market price, while limit lets you set a price entry and the trade only happens when it gets to your entry. Aden supports only cross-margin mode. That is, all the money you deposited is shared across all your open positions to back them up and prevent liquidation. That is, if one position is losing, the others can help it by sharing margin. The next is leverage. Tap on it. Leverage means borrowing extra buying power from the exchange so you can trade more than you actually have. Let's say you have 100 USDC in your trading account. With 5x leverage, you can open a $500 position, and with 10x leverage, you can open a $1,000 position. You didn't add more money, you just borrowed it temporarily from the platform. When price moves in your favor, the profits are multiplied by your leverage. And similarly, when price moves against you, your losses are also multiplied by your leverage. That's why it is advisable to always use a fair leverage. Now let's quickly open a Perp position on BNB. So we click on the pair and change it to BNB. Just tap on it. The highest leverage of BNB on Aden is 20x. We'll be using market order and a fair leverage of 5x. Let's change our leverage to 5x. Then click on save. Confirm. So that makes our total margin about $29. I'll open a trade with part of my balance. Let's say 25 USDC. And also TP/SL simply means take profit and stop loss. Take profit is the price level where your trade automatically closes in profit. And stop loss is the price level you set where your trade automatically closes in loss to prevent bigger losses. Now we'll be setting our TP to let's say 1,250. Then our stop loss to $1,100. Now since we set our TP and SL, just click on buy/long. Click on confirm. Now when you scroll down, you can see we have one open position which contains your quantity, your margin, your entry price, P&L which means profit and loss, your liquidation price which is 901. This simply means when BNB falls to 901, you'll be liquidated. That's why it is always important to set your stop loss. Since we've set our stop loss, we cannot be liquidated. So that's how to trade on Orderly Network. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section as the team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.